Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 10 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 25 on pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see the first question. For what value of k, the following system of linear equations has no solution. It should not have any solution. Whenever you have two equations and he is saying that they have no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Means the two lines are parallel. If they are parallel, they never meet. If they never meet, they don't have a solution. Geographically, you can say that graphically you can say that the lines are parallel lines. In that case only, they don't meet anywhere, so that there is no solution at all for the given lines. This condition, if the lines are parallel, what is the parallel condition? a1 by a2 is b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so using this we have to solve this question. a1 is 3, a2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 is 1, b2 is k minus 1 is not equal to c1 is 1, c2 is 2k plus 1. Okay, first let us simplify these two. If at all I simplify these two, what I have, 3k minus 3 that is equal to 2k minus 1. So here k is equal to 2. K must be 2. At the same time, if k is equal to 2, we have to verify whether equality this is following or not. If k is 2, what do you have now? 1 by 2 minus 1 is this value. So here also 3 by 4 minus 1, that is, okay, 1 by 1, it is 1, this is 1. What about 1 by 2? Oh, 1 by 2k plus 1, 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 1 by 5. Means these two values are not same. These two values are not same. Means for k is equal to 2, this result is also satisfying. Not equal to is also satisfying. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by 2 is also satisfying. So k value is 2 here. That is the right answer. That is nothing but third option. Let us see the next question. The values of p and q for which the following system of equations has infinite number of solutions. Whenever you are given two lines which have infinite number of solutions, in that case a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. The lines are coincidental lines. Coincidental lines means what? This is first line, the second line also lies on the same. Both lie on one another. That is the case where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That condition. Now a1 by a2, let me take p plus q by 2, that is equal to 2p minus q by 3, that is equal to 21 by 7. That implies p plus q by 2, that is equal to 21 by 7 is nothing but 3, that is first case. Next 2p minus q by 3, that is also 3. You will get two conditions in pq, solve them, you will get the values of p and q here. Let us try this. So p plus q is how much now? 2 3 are 6, condition 1. Here if you take 2p minus q is 9, that is condition 2. So add up these two, 1 plus 2 implies p plus q, p minus q, that is only 3p. 3p is 6 plus 9, that is 15. So that p value is becoming 5 for us. P is 5. If p is 5, what implies? Q is equal to 6 minus p, that is 6 minus 5, that is 1. So the value of q is how much? 1. P value is 5, q value is 1. P is 5, q is 1. That is nothing but second option for us. Right? Let us see the next question. Determine the values of m and n so that the following system of linear equations has infinite number of solutions. Here also the same condition. What is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Infinite number of solutions means both the lines are coincidental lines, means one line lies on the other geographically. Okay, so how to do it now? Same way, m minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by m minus 1, that is 5 by 2. Okay, so let us make these two equal and these two equal. So 2m minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 2. Next 3 by n minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Simplify now. 4m minus 2, that is 15. So 4m is 17. So m is equal to how much now? 17 by 4. So the value of m is 17 by 4 for us. Here 2 3 are 6 is equal to 5n minus 5. So here 5n is equal to 11, 11 is equal to 5n. Therefore n value is how much for us? 11 by 5. So for n 17 by 4, n 11 by 5, what do you have? You are going to have a system which has infinitely many solutions. So which is the right option? Third option is right answer for us. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Which of the following system of equations have no solution? Which of them has no solution? No solution in the sense a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Already in the first problem we have seen a1 by e2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, means both must represent set of parallel lines. Let us see the first one. First one you see this one here 3 by 9, that is a1 by a2. What about b1 by b2? 1 by 3. What about c1 by c2? That is 2 by 6. Here this is 1 upon 3. Here 1 upon 3. Here also 1 upon 3. Means what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Means they have infinite solutions. This is a case where they have infinite solutions. But he is asking no solution. So this is not the right answer. Next one, a1 by a2, second one let us see. a1 by a2 is 4 by minus 7. Okay, b1 by b2 is minus 7 by 5. Okay, here itself we can say a1 by a2, b1 by b2 are itself not equal, means they are not equal, they form a system with unique solution. Unique solution means they have a solution. So this is also not the right answer for this question. Third one you see, a1 is a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2, that is 5 by 10 minus of course cancels, that is also 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2 is, how much is that? Minus 11, that is 11 upon 7, which let us cancel minus. So what do you have now? a1 by a2 is b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Means definitely this is representing a system with no solution. Next, similarly, if you take the fourth one, a1 by a2 is becoming 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is becoming 1 by 3, c1 by c2 is also becoming 1 by 3. So infinite solutions. Here also what we have? Infinite solutions we have. So out of the given 4, only the third one, 3x minus 5y minus 11 0, 6x minus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0, representing what you can say parallel lines. So as parallel lines, the system has no solution. So third option is right answer for this question. Let us see the last question. For what real values of k does the pair of equations x minus 2y is equal to 3 and 3x plus ky is equal to 1 have a unique solution? What do you mean by unique solution? What is the condition? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2. If this condition is satisfied, we can say that the given system of equations have unique solution. Now, what are the given equations for us? X minus 2y is equal to 3. 3x plus ky is equal to 1. What is a1 by a2 for us? a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. What is b1 by b2 for us? b1 by b2 is minus 2 by k. a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Means 1 by 3 should not be equal to minus 2 by k. So here, k should not be equal to minus 6. K should not be minus 6. K should not be minus 6. So any real number but should not be minus 6. In that case, the given system of equations will have what? Unique solutions. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.